what we really want now is the concept of electric potential. Okay? But first, let us calculate electric potential. And electric potential and electric potential energy. Electric potential energy. We have two things here. Electric potential and electric potential energy. Why is this? Why is there an electric potential? Let's calculate electric potential energy first. You have a charge at, let's just put it at the origin, and we want to calculate the electric potential energy at any given point in space. Okay? And of course, that is now separated by a distance r. Okay? Let's just do this in terms of this. Yeah, let's not use vector first. Okay. Now, potential, the definition of the potential energy. In fact, this is the definition of the potential energy. Any potential energy. If you have a charge, okay, if you have a charge from very far away, meaning that when you have a charge from very far away, what is the distance of that to there? We call that distance infinity, right? And the electric potential energy is defined as in such a way, the electric potential energy at point R is equal to the work done. It is equal to the work done in moving a charge. You have a charge Q naught, a test charge. Now this is charge Q. You have a charge Q naught at infinity. What is the work done in bringing this charge from infinity to that point here? Ibig sabihin, you have now Q naught here, but Q naught is from somewhere. Very far. Okay? So we now can calculate that work done. Okay? So the work done, okay, is F dot dr. Now, of course, tanaw lang nato dire, no? Let's say this is infinity here. There are many ways to go into this one, into this point here. Gikan dire, right? There are many, okay? But then again, the electric force is what we call a conservative a conservative force. So, from physics, katong una nato, every conservative vector field, every conservative force would give rise to what we call a potential energy. That's why we have what we call an electric potential energy. Okay? And we can calculate that as the work done by electric force. What is now the work, what is the electric force? Okay? Sorry, this is the integral of that. F dot dr. Now, if there are no non-conservative forces involved, then it will be path independent, meaning that the work done in whichever asa ka muagi, bisan pag mutuyo ka dira, the work done, what is the work done again? That's the energy that you will spend. The change in energy. The change in that energy, right? You can actually, what is the definition of the energy? It is the capacity to do work. If you have energy, you spend that through doing work. So you can think of work as a change in energy. So, unsa na nga energy? Yeah, there's a potential energy dito, and there's a potential energy here. Okay? Now, what is the electric force? Based on this, they are separated by some, well, gikan na siya dito, kaning duha na, gikan dito ang Q naught, padulong dire, right? Okay? This is the, okay? Let's take the distance of separation nila as R. Let's just take this as some A. Okay? Okay. So, we want to calculate the work done. Now, what is the electric force at that point there? Given kanisha. Okay, the formula for that is Q not Q over A squared, right? Sorry. Yeah, A squared. Okay? Let's just use R to be, ano no? This is R. Okay? Okay, every time we move this, our R change. For example, at some point, our R is this. At another path dire, at some point of the path, this is our R. If this is our final R, then we can think of this as as the final R. Okay, that's A, we can label it as A. Okay, so meaning that this is R squared. Okay, now the work done is the integral of the force dot dr. Now, ano ni siya ang problem karon is that, for example, what is that? What is dr? So, consider this path, akong i-clear ha, consider a single path. Nata diri atong final, let's call this some distance A, that is our final point, and this is the infinity, no? Let's say this is our path here. At this point here, our dr is a unit, I mean, not a unit vector, but it's a vector tangent to the curve at that point. That is our dr. Now, tanaw na to, ang asang F diri. Ang atong electric force at this point is actually padulong dito, right? You have that straight line there. So, meaning, the electric force is going there. F dot dr is F dr cosine of theta. But as of now, let's not ato sa nang ano. Okay? Let's just use, because this is path independent. So we can actually use, instead of this, we can use a line. This is the origin where the charge is. We have to put it at a distance A, and we are from infinity. Sabtan ninyo? So, at this point here, asa ang dr? Mo niya itong path, no? Asa ang dr? Padulong dito ang dr. Ang force is either paana or paana, depending on the sign of the two charges, right? At that point. So, clearly, F dot dr is just F dr na lang siya, no? Either plus or minus. Now, what is the limit? Well, the limit is from infinity to the final point, A. Okay? This is now defined as the electric potential energy at A. Okay? The work done in moving from a very far distance to a point A is defined now as the potential energy, the electric potential energy at point A. Now, if you are at a distance A, sabtan ninyo? Nakuha na ninyo? Okay? We define that as, di ba, first I define this is work. This is not potential energy yet. Okay, but of course, if you remember the derivation nga ang gibuhat sa una sa Physics 41 sa katong conservation of energy, can you still remember that? Or you have already moved on? Remember there nga ako patong gibalik-balik I remember nga ato sa gibalik-balik that actually the change in the work done is actually just the change in potential energy. That's actually general. But anyway, okay, let's assume that you have forgotten that. But this is the definition of this. What is the potential energy at point A? It is equivalent to the work done. Actually, murag gisulti na ako ni siya ganihan, no? It is equivalent to the work done in moving a charge from very far away to that point. The work done. So this is the working equation. And since applying the definition to the working equation, mauna ni siya, no? The potential energy at A is this integral here. Now, this is easy to integrate. Sa integral, that's just negative 1. So, negative K Q naught Q over R. Tama? Evaluated from infinity to A. And of course, you would now get minus, okay, K Q naught Q over A. Tama? And this is 0, no? Over infinity is 0. So this is now the potential energy, the electric potential energy at a distance A. Let's call this at R equals to A. Kana? That is the potential energy. So it's just like, you can think of that as, actually. In general, in vector, in more than in 2 or 3 dimensions, the electric potential energy V is actually equal to, well, you can think of this as the electric force is equal to minus del sum del U E. Saning del U? Del is what we call the differential, vector differential operator, I hat partial over partial X plus J hat partial over partial Y plus K hat partial over partial Z. Okay? Okay? Okay, but of course, I'm not going to ask you to derive that. Kaya ang problem ang God is, okay, this del 1 over R, if we convert this to a vector, this is actually quite complicated. No? Taas na siya. Abe, murag nindot lagi ni siya. Ha? Oh, what is R? We can just do that. Oh, sige na to, be. Okay. Diba? This is now the location. I will put the location of charge Q at arbitrary point. This is now the charge Q, and I want to calculate the electric potential energy at this point, given that it has charge Q naught, no? So I want this distance, right? So, I mean, this is, okay, let this to be R naught. Ano na lang ni siya, no? 2 na lang ni siya. No? So, Q naught, but I'll call this 2, and this is R1. So, this distance, what is this distance? Okay, that is R2 minus R1. The distance now is, let this D. So, D now is equal to the magnitude of R2 minus R1, right? Sabtan. Now, of course, we know that R1 is given by X1, X2, X3, right? No, I'll just use X1, Y1, Z1, and R2 would be given by X2, Y2, and Z2. Sa ato pa, this distance is given by X2 minus X1 squared plus Y2 minus Y1 squared. Okay? Plus Z2 minus Z1 squared. And raised to 1/2. Right? Right? Okay. Now, I want to fix this. I-fix na ko ang point, sa ato pa. This is I'll fix this into some, I'll just set this as X naught, Y naught, and Z naught. Okay? Meaning, i-fix na ko niya as the constant, and this is now, can be anywhere. Arbitrary. Okay? Evaluating now, meaning, evaluate na ko ang, given that my charge is located, no, at X naught, Y naught, Z naught, I want to calculate the electric potential at any point X, Y. So that would mean that this now becomes just x, y, z. Mo ni karon ang variable na ako, right? So this whole thing now becomes x minus x naught. This is y minus y naught and z minus z naught, right? Or you can just use even R2 minus R1. Okay? Pareho rin na siya. Sabtan? Now, as I've said, okay, I'll just use this as R na lang, no? R. That is my R. Or, yeah, D. Okay. Now, as I've said, the electric force is given by minus del U of R. What is this R? This is the R. In this case, this is my R. If this is, I will set this as R naught, then this is my R, right? Ganing R2 na ako. Nakuha? So, del R. So, in that case, what is my potential energy at that point? The potential energy then at that point is U E of R is K Q Q naught over the magnitude of R2 minus R1. Mura na siya. Okay, take note that this is not a vector. Unlike the force is a vector, but the potential energy is not a vector. Nakuha ninyo? Sabtan? So, now, this means that my F is just del of K, Q, Q naught, Q, K, Q, Q naught over R2 minus R1. Okay? And this will now be equal to, since this is constant, I can take that one out. This is K, Q, Q naught, okay? Del of 1 over R2 minus R1. Or in this case, I'll use R minus R naught. R naught is constant, no? Sabtan? Okay, so what is this? That is just del of 1 over the magnitude of R minus R naught, okay, is I hat del over partial x plus j hat partial over partial y plus k hat partial over partial z times 1 over kani. Okay, so the square root of x minus x naught squared plus y minus y naught squared plus z minus z naught squared. Sabtan? Okay? Applying this one here. So I would get, pareho ra gyapon, this is I hat partial over partial x of 1 over x minus x naught. Tama? Squared. I'll put the square root na. Okay, atong tipiron be. X minus x naught squared plus y minus y naught squared plus z minus z naught squared. Plus j hat partial over partial y of the same. Sabtan? Plus k hat partial over partial z of the same again. More gyapon eh. So I'll just need to evaluate one because the same na gyaponing dire, right? Only evaluating at y and evaluating at z. Now take the derivative of this with respect to x. That's negative 1/2 kasi raised to minus 1/2 pa eh. So negative 1/2 times this raised to negative 1/2 minus 1. So this is negative 3/2 now. Times the derivative inside. Masiro ni tanan kay sa x man ta. Derivative of this is just 2 times x minus x naught. So sa ato pa, this will now be equal to I hat times, okay, times 2 times x minus x naught over na ito, right? Kasi negative 1/2 man, ano yung negative dire? Okay? of that thing. So I'll just remove 2. So this is x minus x naught over the x minus x naught squared plus y minus y naught squared plus z minus z naught squared raised to 3 halves. Asa niya eh. Right? Minus. Same nagyapon din eh. Okay? But this is now y minus y naught over the same thing. Mao gyapon eh. Plus ano, minus k hat times okay? Z minus z naught over the same. Sabtan? Now, when I simplify this one, what would I get? If I've simplified this, tanawa, so sa ato pa ako ang f, which is just this multiplied by negative. So what would I get? My f now would be equal to negative, right? No, it becomes positive. Tama? Now, let's analyze this. Ako na siyang i-separate. Take that out from all the vectors. Nakuha ninyo? Kaning isa, di ba pare-pareho? So, I will take that one out. So, I would have 1 over x minus x naught squared plus y minus y naught squared plus z minus z naught squared raised to 3 halves times, what would I get here? X minus x naught I plus, na negative dire, right? No? Y minus y naught j plus z minus z naught k hat, right? But what is this? Okay? This whole thing, no? If you call this as 0.2 and 0.1, just like atong original nato nga kuan, what is this? This is just the magnitude of R2 minus R1 or R minus R naught in that case. But raised to cube. Nakuha? What this one is R2 minus R1. So sa ato pa, this is this is now positive, right? K Q na times 1 over R. I'll just now set this to 1 and 2, right? 0.1 and 0.2. So this is R2 minus R1 cube times R2 minus R1. Di ba mo niya itong force gani ha? Q1, Q2 over R2 minus R1 cube times R2 minus R1. We obtain this vector field. Okay? So, nasabtan ninyo? So, yeah, mo nang nindot nga mag-derive yun mo, no? Okay, sa Friday lang mo. Okay? So, that's the electric potential energy. So, nakuha na to. In fact, we call actually this the del of, this is a vector differential operator. No? This is the gradient. Actually, ang tawag na is that every conservative vector field is a gradient of a scalar. And that's the reason, in fact, that if the vector field is a gradient of a scalar, then automatically, i-calculate the work done, it will be path independent. Muna yung result niya. Why? Because it will only be, nindot ka, ipa-derive na po na, nindot di siya i-derive. If, tanawa ha, if F is equal to sum minus del V, or del U na lang itong gamito, no? Del U. Then, the work done, tanawa na ito, tanawa ang the work done ha. The work done from, this is F dot dr from point 1 to point 2, okay? So, from point 1 to point 2, di na ako evaluate nila. Okay. Butang na to. P1 to P2. We can write this as P1 to P2 as, murag kaya, murag di ganahan naman, di ba? Di ba? So, sa ibutang na to, kabalo na siya, So, murag kabalo na pa siguro mo, So, this is actually just to show niyo. So, basin mo yung mugmangtas na magkakasir, del U dr. Tama? This is dr dot. But what is dr? Kung tanawin ninyo ng dr is actually equal to dxi hat plus dy j hat plus dz k hat. Okay? So, unsa man yung del U? This is, okay? Actually, we can think of this as, tanawa, tanawa na lang nato ang sa x na lang. Let's take this for one dimension. Just for one dimension. So, sa ato pa, kung one dimension, mahimo ni siyang dx lang, right? No? So, kani, mahimo og partial over, d over dx na lang, tama? D over dx, tama? For one dimension. Kaya para di na ako mag-expand. So, this is the integral of minus du over dx, tama? Di na siya partial, kay one raman. One variable na siya. Dot dr now, so ang dr now just becomes dx, tama? P1 to P2. But you have now the minus the integral of du from P1 to P2. So this is just equal to u, negative of u evaluated from P1 to P2, no? So this is just actually equal to minus u at P1, P2 minus u at P2. Or this is just the negative of the change of the potential energy. Sabtan? It will be independent of the path. Meaning it will only depend on the initial and the final value. Mauna sa conservation of energy, wala tay labot. Pag purely conservative system, no, walay friction, bisag asa siya muagi, right? 'Di ba?